Unconscious bias and microaggressions are two terms that have gained increasing attention in recent times. But what exactly do they mean, and how are they related? And what impact do they have on performance and discretionary effort? Let's start with unconscious bias. Unconscious bias refers to the attitudes or stereotypes that we hold towards certain groups of people without even realizing it. It's not something that we intentionally do, but rather a subconscious process that's influenced by our past experiences, upbringing, and environment. Microaggressions, on the other hand, are the behavioral manifestations of unconscious bias. These are subtle acts of discrimination or prejudice towards a particular group that may seem harmless but can have a significant impact on individuals and the workplace culture as a whole. So, how do unconscious bias and microaggressions affect us? Research has shown that these can have negative impacts on discretionary effort and personal motivation. As microaggressions and unconscious bias increase, the amount and effort that people want to give to a project go down. To be more effective in recognizing and eliminating unconscious bias and microaggressions, we need to be mindful of our own biases and behaviors. It's important to create an atmosphere of equity, inclusion, and diversity in our teams, and think about ways we can change our behavior to promote this. Discretionary effort refers to the amount of effort that an individual is willing to put in above and beyond what is required of them in their job. It's the extra mile that someone is willing to go to achieve a goal or complete a project. When an individual is subject to microaggressions or unconscious bias, their discretionary effort is likely to decrease. This is because these behaviors can make someone feel undervalued, excluded, or disrespected, which can lead to a lack of motivation or commitment toward their work. On the other hand, when individuals feel valued, included, and respected, their discretionary effort is more likely to increase. This is because they feel that their efforts are appreciated and that they are contributing to something meaningful. Therefore, organizations and individuals need to recognize and address microaggressions and unconscious bias to create an environment where individuals are motivated to give their best effort. By promoting a culture of equity, inclusion, and diversity, organizations can foster a more engaged and productive workforce. So, that's a wrap on this session. We hope you found this information useful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.